you been struggling to get your message out there to attract the right customer? Do you feel like you're not making the impact that you want to make? If you answered yes to either of these questions, then this video is for you. I share step-by-step tips on how to build your spiritual brand online. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. In today's digital landscape, it's more important than ever that spiritual entrepreneurs have a strong presence online. Whether you're a healer, a coach, or a teacher, having a well-established spiritual brand can help you reach a wider audience and make a bigger impact and ultimately achieve your goals. However, building a spiritual brand isn't always easy. When has it ever been easy? It requires a deep understanding of your target audience, a clear message, and an effective marketing strategy. One of the biggest challenges spiritual entrepreneurs faces when building their spiritual brand is to understand their target audience. Who are they? What do they need? And how can you help them? Without a clear understanding of your target audience, it's difficult to create content that resonates with them. And as a result, it's hard to attract and retain loyal followers or customers. Another challenge that spiritual entrepreneurs face is creating a clear message that communicates their values and mission. It's important to have a message that's authentic, inspiring, and relatable to your audience. Without a clear message, it's difficult to establish your authority, and as a result, it's difficult to build a loyal following. The good news is there are some step-by-step tips that can help you to overcome these challenges and build your spiritual brand online. The first step is to understand your target audience. Take some time to research their needs, their desires, and their pain points. You can start by asking yourself, what would you need if you were in their shoes? This can help you create content that resonates with them and position you as the solution to their problems. The second step is to craft a clear message that communicates your values and your mission. Your message should be authentic, inspiring, and relatable to your audience. For example, I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. Very simple and very clear. It should also be consistent across all your digital marketing channels, including your website, your social media pages, and your email marketing campaigns. The third step is to develop an effective digital marketing strategy that will help you reach and engage with your target audience. This includes creating high-quality content, using social media to build a community, and leveraging email marketing campaigns to nurture your followers and your customers. By following the step-by-step tips, you can create a strong online presence that helps you reach and engage with your ideal customers. So take some time to research your target audience, craft a clear message that communicates your values and mission, and develop an effective digital marketing strategy that helps you reach and engage with your audience. If you want to learn more, be sure to check the links in the description box below. I hope that this helps you on your journey. Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.